In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix the secure connection failed error in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to check the date and time settings, because incorrect date or time settings can break the secure SSL connections. Now, I want you to hover to the bottom right corner, go to your clock on your taskbar, right-click on it, and then click the Adjust Date and Time. You want to make sure that the Set Time Automatically is turned on, okay? And of course, click the Sync Now button because this will restart Firefox and test the website again. After doing that, go back again to your Mozilla Firefox, and if you are using any VPNs and proxies that can interfere with the secure connections. In my case, I am using a VPN right now, so I am going to turn it off for now. Scroll down, okay? And then try to refresh it. Now, another option is if you are using a proxy in Firefox, go to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines. Go to Settings and scroll down until you find the Network Settings. Matter of fact, we have a separate video on how to create a proxy here in Mozilla Firefox that you might be interested. Please check out that in our channel. Now, if you are using a proxy, click the No Proxy for now, click OK, and restart Firefox. Okay, so the last option is go again to the Settings. Go to Privacy and Security. And of course, we need to go to the cookies and site data. All I have to do here is clear data like your browsing history, temporary cached files, cookies and site data, and click the Clear button and confirm the action and reload the page. Now, try to go to the website that you are having problems with the secure connection. For example, this website. If it loads, basically we are successful, and after trying all these steps, your secure connection error should be fixed by now. And that's how to fix secure connection failed in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.